Hello everyone, I'm Dattatrenikam. Welcome you all our channel eFunda for new day, new topic. And our today's topic is little different. That is the most demand job, artificial intelligence that AI can't replace. As the headlines are dramatic, and maybe AI to replace almost 800 million jobs by 2030, which you have been read through in the newspaper on or internet, robots taking over the workplace or the end of work as we know it. It is not easy or it's not hard to see why such predictions are resonates. We are already witnessing self-driving trucks being tested on highways, AI generated algorithm outperforming the doctor in certain diagnostic tasks, and tools like ChatGPT writing articles and summarizing the document and even composing music or poetry by AI help. And there is a threat to the human touch or human interface. All such details we are trying to cover and address some of the questions related to this in our today's video. And if you are new to our channel, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press bell icon to get the latest notification on upload of our new video on our channel eFunda. Also, eFunda team has created a membership option. You have to just press the join button and understand different types of a membership and their benefit. So let's begin with our today's topic, that the most demand jobs artificial intelligence can't replace. How AI spread the presence. As many people are wondering, where should I put my effort? Which jobs will be so important when AI is everywhere? What sort of a work need a human touch that machines can't copy? Starting healthcare, finance, engineering, manufacturing, education, transportation, and many other jobs. As you can see, the AI spreading as our brains are getting influenced with the help of AI for CAD design, algorithm trending, algorithm trading, medical diagnostic, and many other fields. As this video will help you to answer some of those questions. These jobs that are in demand today and will continue to be vital in the years to come. They span industries from healthcare to education, from the art to skilled trades, from the leadership roles to the social services, and all of them share one thing is common, that they are deeply inherently human. The era of just clocking in and out to get by is ending now. There is no need to panic. This change is a chance to grow. Success will come to people who work with AI, not against AI. Use AI as a tool while focusing on a skills only humans can offer. Don't fear robots. Know your unique strength and use them wisely for betterment of your upskilling. Be with AI, not against it, is the topic where we'll try to cover the sector which are be helpful with AI, but areas where AI cannot replace humans. Healthcare, wellness expert, mental health and counseling services, skill, tradespeople and technical specialties, creative and artistic professionals, educators, trainers and coaches, leader, strategists and executives, legal, compliance and ethics advisors, sales, client relation and account managers, media, marketing, communication pros, scientists, innovator and researcher. These are the sectors are influenced by AI for betterment of their services. Though these are the areas one can refer to the picture where areas where AI cannot replace human are healthcare professional, emotional intelligence, creative arts, decision making, strategic leadership. These are the field will remain there and it requires a human touch. So this is what our today's topic is. Healthcare and a wellness expert will see the detail and how AI can help there. First is the doctor and surgeons. AI aids in diagnostic and treatment planning, but it can't replace the human side of a medicine. Life changing decision, empathy, and a real time judgment remain uniquely human. As one can see into the picture, how the doctors are getting benefit from AI for human body analysis with the help of AI tools, and simultaneously how AI and human touch can be collaborated in healthcare. Why AI can't replace them? Because empathy and ethics, understanding patient fear and values, critical decisions, acting under uncertainty with moral judgment, hands-on skill, fine motor control, and tactile feedback in a surgery is required based on the actual scenario, which only can be done by the human touch. AI is a valuable tool, but the doctor-patient connection is irreplaceable. That is why AI can't replace totally healthcare and wellness experts. Details, AI capabilities you can see, and human expertise also you can see into the picture, where empathic patient care, complex decision making, creative problem, ethical considering, intuition and exploring, emotional support, holistic patient assessment, adaptability to unique cases is only done by human touch. Mental health professional will see how AI can help. Psychologist, therapist, and counselor. These mental health professionals help people to manage emotional distress, life challenges, and mental disorder through assessment, talk, therapy, and evidence based interventions. Their work relies on trust, empathy, and ongoing human relationship. As you can see into the picture, how the personal touch or a human touch help the patients to recover and get counseled with the help of doctors and professionals. Why AI can't replace them? Deep listening and a rapport, attentive, non-judgmental presence that build trust and safety. Second, reading unspoken cues, noticing tone, body language, facial expression, and a silence help them to identify. Crisis support with empathy, staying calm, offering reassurance, and taking immediate caring action is important. That is why AI can help in a mental health professional field, but their human touch cannot be ignored. Hence, AI can't replace them as well. Skill, trades, and a technician where AI can help. First, electricians, plumber, HVAC technicians. These roles demand practical skill, keep spatial awareness, and a quick problem solving in diverse, unpredictable setting. AI can't squeeze under a sink or rewire a home, and current robots lack the flexibility and judgment of an experienced trade person. Second example, auto mechanics and field technicians. Car may be more advanced, but when an engine breaks or a complex component need a replacement, only human can diagnose and repair it on the spot, especially with older vehicle, custom setups and intricate multi-system issues. As you can see into figure how AI is helping for skill trades and a technician, though why AI can't replace them? Manual proficiency in unpredictable environments, physical presence and real world problem solving skills, deep contextual awareness of a human habitats, which requires the specialized skill and enhance human touch so as to get the work done through the skilled trades and technician where AI can support but AI can't replace them. Creative professionals where AI can help for their professional work. We'll see the detail. Writer, novelist, and screenwriter. AI can replicate their writing style and produce readable text, but genuine creativity, the kind of a craft that stories, steers, emotions, and shapes culture remain uniquely human. Exceptional writing goes beyond arranging word. It uncovers truth, spark dialogue, and leave a lasting impact on the readers. Designers and visual arts. AI can produce images and offer design ideas, but it cannot match intuition that comes from human experience, culture insight, and artistic sensibility. Human designers work with a metaphor, grasp social and cultural currents, and create innovations that go beyond what is merely or statistically probable through generate with the help of AI. As you can see into the picture, writer, novelist, screenwriters, as well as the designer and visual art can get benefit of AI, though they can't replace them because the culture, intuition, and originality. Second, storytelling rooted in lived experience. Third, and the last one, moral, philosophical, and emotional depth will only come by human touch. That is the reason for creative professional AI can't replace them totally. Educator and trainers, with that AI can help them as a professionally. Though school teachers teaching isn't just sharing knowledge, it's inspiring, guiding, and connecting with a student. AI can tutor, but it can't replace teachers' human touch. Second, cooperate trainer and coaches. Adult learning thrives on trust, relationship, and a timely feedback. Coaching requires intuition, persuasion, and human judgment, things AI can't replicate. As you can see into the picture, how AI can help the students for their education as well as the corporate trainer for their training and coaching. Though AI can't replace them because adaptedly in group dynamics. Second, social emotional mentorship. Third, real time engagement and conflict resolution is most important, which requires human touch. That is the reason AI can't replace educators and trainers. Leadership and strategy role where AI can help them. First, executives and entrepreneurs. Leadership isn't a formula, it's a vision, judgment, and the ability to inspire and guide people within your team. Things AI can inform but not replace. Second, policymaker and diplomats. Shaping the policy and negotiating treaties requires nouns, foresight, and ethical judgment. Skill AI can support but never fully replace. As you can see into the picture, the executive and entrepreneurs as well as the policymaker and diplomats can get help from AI, but AI can't replace them because first, moral and ethical reasoning. Second, long term vision and intuition. Third, team building and communication. That is why leadership and a strategy role can get benefit from AI but cannot replaced fully. Legal and ethical professionals can get help from AI and their association for long term benefit for ethical professions. First, lawyers and judges. AI can aid research, but understanding human behavior, ethics and intent in legal decision remains uniquely human. One can see the images where one can see how AI is helping legal and ethical professional to get benefit from that. Though AI can't replace them because moral and social interpretation, importance of strategic thinking and advocacy, nuanced argumentation and empathy. These are the critical factor which AI can't control. That is the reason AI can't replace legal and ethical professional team. Scientists and researcher can get benefit from AI and they can make their thesis where scientists and researcher AI can analyze data for them but forming hypothesis, interpreting uncertainty and asking novel question remain human strength. As you can see into the picture how scientist and researcher can get benefit from AI, though AI can't replace them because human curiosity and intuition is important. Second, philosophical interpretation of their findings. Last one, the ability to redefine what the problem is and remain the problem or got the solution. This is how AI can help scientists and researchers, but they are not able to come out with a conclusive statement and their analysis. Hence, AI can't replace them. This is how today we have tried to cover the many aspects of a different sectors, though which one you find is a more interesting and a challenging one where AI can't replace them. Just you have to put into our comment box which are the field you feel that AI can't replace.
With this, we are concluding on our today's topic. Thanks for watching our channel eFunda, where you'll get to know the fundamentals. So that is our tagline, get your fundamentals right, where we do identify the needs, then we evaluate the need, then define plan for a particular need, and then accordingly execute the plan. This is what we are creating our technical videos so that it will help every individual to get their fundamentals right. And if you are new to our channel, then subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press bell icon to get the latest notification on upload of our new video on our channel eFunda. Also, you can follow us on our Instagram page and do follow our Facebook page as well. So keep watching our channel eFunda for new day, new topic.